guys, what's up? It's Stacy. Welcome back. I'm very excited about this new web series and I can't wait to show you what's coming. Follow me inside and we'll talk more about today. Hi guys. So today I have the most fun day planned. I'm going on an art day with my fellow artist, Albert Sultan. But before I get to play, we have to do some work. So I'm standing here with my friend and client, Eddie, and we're redoing his kitchen. So you want to tell us a little bit about it?
It's an awful kitchen. It's in terrible shape. It's the last part of the house. We pretty much did everything, new floors, new paint, moldings, and new bathrooms. And this is going to be the icing on the cake. Hopefully it's going to be a beautiful kitchen. Right now it's
it'll definitely be a beautiful kitchen because Stacy Ayash is taking care of the design.
Yes.
So that's for sure.
I already saw the cabinetry and she picked out beautiful stuff. So
what we're going to be doing is redesigning the entire space to maximize the space and use it more efficiently. As you could see right now, I mean, there's just a ton of wasted space over here. And the way this window is taking up so much space in the wall, on the wall, we're going to get rid of this. We didn't notice before though. You have a soffit here. Do you know what's in here?
We made holes.
Okay, fine. So we know they're good. Okay, good. Because I didn't take that into consideration.
No worries.
Fine, perfect, good. So then we're going to be changing the floors, redesigning the layout, taking new cabinetry, countertops, backsplash, wall coverings, and lighting, and I can't wait to show you the final results. We're headed over to Coney Island now to see the art walls. I'm super excited about this. It looks unbelievable, and Albert is a trip, so I think you're gonna have fun.
I love the colors here. Honestly,
I do also.
Something like this would completely inspire me. Like I would pick a color palette from this and maybe design a room around it.
I like, oh, this. See, you're there. This. That's so funny because we always say, and I'm here.
This is taking slices of moments of real life that actually come to inform a lot of my design decisions and painting decisions. I don't know, I'm pretty sure that's how you operate as well.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, you never know when that moment's gonna strike and that magic spark, you know, just like all of a sudden you're like, ah, oh, yes, that's what I needed. That's what I needed to bring me to my next conclusion,
yeah,
you know?
Or sometimes, you know, it's almost like when I see things, I go on days like this with you or just on my own, it's almost like filling the memory banks or the creative memory banks.
Exactly.
So it's not necessarily like, oh, I saw that one thing, but like it sort of then comes out organically, naturally later on because I know what I'm pulling from when I walk into a space and I feel the energy of space and I'm like, I feel like I've seen what the right thing
exactly,
is.
Like it's just the feeling
like this
that you
fits
get in the space.
That inspiration.
And I always say that it's not even about the way the space looks sometimes, it's just the feeling that you want to evoke within that space. And the color palette, the color story it's such a powerful element.
Rub my head, yeah.
Reflecting on today and everything and how much fun we had together, Albert and I decided to call this day an art affair to remember.
A design affair.
A design affair to remember. It's a good thing he was paying attention when we were talking.
But the truth is, you know, there's a definite link between art and design, and you know, you and I, we talk about this daily. That, you know, we're both artists and we're both designers, and we always question like where the line is, like where does one start and the other end. And the truth is, I think we both come to the conclusion that the best designers are also artists. because
100%.
you know, as much as we walk into a room and there's real technical rules to how to get things done, you know, there's a certain spirit and a soul that we have to bring to the table,
100%.
Intuition.
Yes.
And I want to say that today was all about that.
And having fun,
Yeah.
and the energy of Coney Island, and the excitement that, you know, you feel here, and all the color. It's just exhilarating.
Yeah, and we try to take that to our clients' homes.
Right, and who are in touch, you know, with being open to
Everything
letting
around
this
them.
all
Yeah.
come in, and then the way it gets expressed and retold through our eyes in whatever projects we're working on is the magic.
Anyway, here's to more adventures, and we'll see you all soon.
Watch and learn.